Hello all. Today is the Friday, 28th of May. I've been thinking what to do, what kind of content should I give you guys. Couldn't think of much, but a good friend of mine had suggested, why don't you ask followers on Instagram to ask you questions and maybe you can answer them live. So this is the effort. I hope this works out. If it does, then it's groundbreaking for me. So there are a few questions in my hand from Instagram. I will mention their names and answer them uh, as much as I can. There might be some questions which are probably repetitive. I'll probably just mention their names but might not answer them. Bear with me. If you think that I'm ignoring your message, then I apologize. It is not to ignore your message. I might have missed something or the other, so you'll have to forgive me for that. It is not intentional. I know last time when I did a live chat, there were a few friends who thought that I was ignoring them and they sent me a personal message saying that I was ignoring them. So please, please, please don't think that I'm ignoring you. It's more that it is so fast and I probably might have missed it, or maybe your question might have been a repetitive one, asking me for a song or asking me how I was. So if I wasn't doing well, I wouldn't be in front of you. So yes, I am well. I am fine. We are locked down, and we are safe at home. Amma is doing well, and all of that. I hope all of you are doing well. Stay safe. I'm sure. I hope. I pray that you are masking and distancing yourself socially when you go out, if you need to go out. Otherwise, please stay home. Take care of your health. Take care of your family, and be safe. So let's go to the questions. I don't know how Instagram sorts these out, whether they're in the order of the messages sent first to last or last to first, but they are in an order here. So I will go through them as I see them on screen. So again, this is not in a way avoiding or pushing people down the order or anything like that. So please understand that. Okay, I'm going as per the Instagram's listing of the questions. So the first one is from a very good friend of mine, Durga Lokam from Hyderabad. His father worked for my father, and he's right now with me. Durga is a very enterprising gentleman who works for a big MNC. All love to him. He's asked me, "How are you, sir?" దుర్గా ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ వెరీ వెల్. మీరందరూ ఇంట్లో బాగున్నారు అనుకుంటాను. జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండండి, క్షేమంగా ఉండండి. నాన్నగారిని, అమ్మగారిని, చెల్లైని అందరినీ అడిగానని చెప్పు. ఈ లాక్డౌన్ అయిపోగానే త్వరలో మళ్ళీ హైదరాబాద్కి వచ్చి మిమ్మల్ని అందరినీ కలవాలని ఆశిస్తున్నాను. ప్లీజ్ టేక్ కేర్ దుర్గా. Stay blessed. The second one is from another friend of mine. They're all friends. Sandhya. Sandhya is a classical singer. She's from Chennai. I think. She's asked me, who is the childhood crush? Time for you to reveal, I guess. You keep guessing, Sandhya. You're not going to get it. It's, it's not that I don't want to reveal it. It's just that they probably might be in social media also. I have not been in touch with her for like ages. She's a person, a friend from the neighborhood. That's all I should say, and end this answer right here. So Sandhya, stop it. The next one is from another friend of mine, Kalyana Devan from Malaysia, KL. What's good on Netflix now? Well, apart from watching all these old Malayalam films and catching up with the new ones, I am watching this series called Occupied. It's a Norwegian web series, and it's all about how Russia has occupied Norway and what how Norway is getting out of it. And it's a political satire, something that I like, conspiracy theories. That's what I'm watching right now. I've heard Innocent is really good. That's in my list. Uh, so yeah, so the what I'm watching right now is that, and then there is Innocent, which is in my list that I want to see next. Next one is from Fatima Ifra, 55. How is everyone at home without Appa? Well, It is a big void, huge vacuum in our lives. It's so unfortunate and unexpected, the things that had happened. But knowing Dad, I know for a fact that he would not allow us to bog down and sulk and mourn his passing away. But there is work to be done. There's a lot of work to be done. Amma to take care of. So I'm going about my diligence and trying to keep the fort together, hold the fort together, if I may say. So that's what it is. But we're okay. Health wise, we're all doing well. We do have our days where you know, a very down day, if I may say. But otherwise, okay. We are constantly thinking of him, and you know, but we try not to keep us down. Dad wouldn't want that. He would want us to go about doing things, and we are, like I said, he's constantly in our thoughts. Thanks for that question, Fatima. The next one is Anugraha Raja underscore 246. Hi sir, how is Savitri Amma? How are you and how is this lockdown going? Amma is doing well. The lockdown is locked down. While going walking, I see a lot of people still traveling around in their bikes and all of that, in cars, and it's unfortunate. But I'm sure they have some good reason for getting out of the house. Vinita Dulipudi, how are you? I am well, Vinita. So these are the kinds of questions that keep repeating. So I just want to mention the name. Uh, uh, Vidhu underscore 9 underscore 7 underscore 10 has also asked about how the lockdown is going. Most funny moment with that. Oh, there are so many. I'm sure if you see YouTube and search for our videos, there are so many on-stage events that we have, which we just bounce off of each other. They're so unscripted, and we have so much fun on stage, and those are the moments that I cherish. Also, during last year's lockdown, when we were all at home and we would watch movies every night. So one of the Telugu channels used to play old black and white films, and we used to make it a point to sit together and watch. It was more of Amma's interest. Amma would want to watch some old nice movie, and me and Dad would just sit along with her and want to watch the movie for a while. We would just go off complaining about how bad the production was, or how bad the acting was, or something of that. How we could do it better, how we could have made the actors act better, or how we could have directed better. Appa is always commenting on these kinds of things, and Amma would get so irritated. కొంచెంసేపు నేను సినిమా చూడనిస్తారా మీరు ఇద్దరు షీ వుడ్ సే ரெண்டு பேரும் கொஞ்சம் சும்மா இருந்தீங்கன்னா நான் பாட்டுக்கு படம் பார்க்குறேன்ல நானாக கூப்பிட்டேன் அவங்கள வந்து உட்கார வைக்க அப்படின்னு cherishable moments. Every day it used to be a ritual. My mom used to dread us both coming and hanging out with her. But those were, the fun few hours that we would spend together. Thanks, Brahmos underscore made underscore for underscore victory was the one who asked that question. The next one is Sivasai 5699. Your favorite actor? There are so many. I don't want to sound very pseudo by mentioning some Hollywood people. Though there are a lot of them. Denzel Washington is one of them. My dad's most favorite actor too, and I couldn't disagree with that. He's one brilliant actor that we have. In Tamil, we do have Nagesh sir, Manorama Amma, Savitri Garu. What a brilliant actor! And recently, since all the Malayalam films that I've been watching, I should say that one of the brilliant actors that I've discovered is Jose George. Unfortunate that we I discovered him late, but what a brilliant actor. I just love watching him perform, or rather not perform. Such a brilliant person, brilliant actor. Saraswati Madhavan, hi, how are you? Thank you, I'm doing well, Saraswati, and hope you're doing well too. Sri 4344, and we are waiting for Adhigaram and SPP 50 World Tour Series. Thank you for Adhikaram. Waiting for it. I hope it will be a very good watch when it comes out. As far as SPP 50 is concerned, see, we weren't able to shoot the whole tour, which I wanted to. Unfortunately, because each state in America had their own union laws. So hiring a camera crew there was a very uh, expensive affair for the promoters, local promoters. The same goes with every country. I wish I had taken a crew with me, but unfortunately, what happens is me as Capital Filmworks was not able to afford taking a crew of 10, 15 people plus equipment and all of that. So I had to depend on the local promoters in different various countries to hire the crew. But unfortunately, again, the cost quotient was so high for the concert itself. I couldn't pressurize the promoters to do this for me for archival purposes. I had to forego, and whatever little that I had shot was, I think they're mostly out on YouTube. A lot of actually fans have shot it on phones, and they've put them up on YouTube and all of other stuff. So I'm sorry, I don't have any other content. I might have songs audio, but let me see if I will be able to put this audio out. But unfortunately, I think YouTube will not let me do that. Most of them are royalty bound. So these are the complications that are there. If you find a method where I can bypass all of this and play, I will see what little footage that I have. I will definitely try to put it on. Thank you so much for asking that. Adhikaram is in post production due to these lockdowns for past 2 years. We are not able to do much, but even I am waiting to get it out as early as possible. Thank you, Sri Sri. Sri Sri 4344 again. Is it right for parents to give their children too much of mobile phone as playing kit? A very good question. I'm glad that we're talking topics which are pertinent to society, other than just cinema and music and me and the lockdowns. Well, I have a take on that. I do not appreciate kids having mobile phones unless uh, it is required. We are in extraordinary situations right now, and yes, the kids are learning online, but a mobile phone, I don't think so. Maybe you could have a laptop or a desktop where the kids could sit and study, which gives them that 1 hour of concentration in front of a system, and it creates a discipline. At a particular time, you need to be in front of the desktop for you to attend your classes, and that should how I feel it should be. Tablets, pads, mobile phones can be avoided until I think they are, I don't know, 14, 15 maybe. And they need to know a little bit of right and wrong before, you know. But in unavoidable circumstances, if the mobile phone needs to go to a child's hand, I wish it is not a smartphone, it is just a dial phone with numbers for emergency purposes where they can just call the family members in cases of emergencies. So that's my take on that. No mobile phones or tablets, smart tablets for kids. Bhaskaran Pooja. Hi sir, what's your weirdest fan experience? Well, you know, this whole fan thing is weird to me because see, I'm not somebody who's sought attention. Rather, it's the other way around. I try to keep as quiet and as hidden as possible. But all this attention that I've been getting for the past 1 year is quite overwhelming, and I don't know how to react to them. So I, like I said, this whole this fan base, followers, and so many fans that I have, and those pages are also getting a lot of traffic. And congratulations to all of you, and I appreciate the love and the concern, the affection that you are showing me. But it is a little weird. So if I don't react or respond to your messages or your posts, please understand. I'm not somebody who. puts up posts about myself unless and otherwise, really required. But other than that, uh, this whole thing is a little weird for me. Thanks, Pooja Bhaskaran, Bhaskaran Pooja. Gause Vijay. Gausi Vijay, I hope I'm saying your name properly. Good morning, sir. You're a big fan, sir. Please, hi, Gausalya. Okay, hi, Gausalya. So that's what she wanted. Sri Sri 4344, say something about mobile addictors nowadays, okay or not? I've said quite a bit about the mobile phone thingy, so I think I'll pass that. Without mobile phones, I will not be able to meet you also. So, I mean, I don't want to contradict myself. I would like to address the issue about mobile phones in children's hands, and I've addressed it, and I'd like to put that issue to rest. Swecha Vinash, Telugu movie direction, sir, please. If I get an opportunity, definitely. Again, like I said, I'm not somebody who goes and markets myself. I would like my work to speak for itself. So when Adhigaram comes out, and if people do like it, and if it does gain a lot of traction, then maybe I will get an opportunity to direct a Telugu film. Priya Anjali, can you please send SPB sir picture with his autograph and yours too? You want my autograph on SPB's picture, or you want my autograph picture separately and SPB's picture separately? Priya Anjali, if you could send me your details, maybe I will be able to courier it to you. I hope you're in India, which makes things quite easy. Kochus 1997, how are you, sir? Lots of love from Kerala. SPB, sir, thank you so much, Kochus. Kalyani Saravanguram asked me how I am, and I've answered, I'm doing very well, and I hope you're doing well, Kalyani. Janapati Sushma. I hope I'm not killing your names. I apologize again. Uh, I don't know why people make it so tough for me to mention their names. Which is your favorite among which you have sung? Again, like I said, I do not market myself, so most of the songs I do love. Ekkadekado Undo Taraka from Murari in Telugu is something that I really, really love. Kannadini Kanjadenan from the Ajit movie, Mangata, is one of my favorites. There are so many. There are so many. I just mentioned two. Doesn't mean that I don't like the others. So that's not what it is. Okay. Next is Subramanya Smita. Subramanya dot Smita. Hello. Have you learned Carnatic classical? Smita, no, I have not learned Carnatic classical. That's it. Fan underscore off underscore SPB sir. There are a lot of fan of SPB sir, SPB underscore fan, SPC underscore fan page, and all of that. So because it's very difficult to identify one from the other. I think some people have multiple pages. That is the reason why I'm mentioning the underscores also. So I know you know that it is specific to you. Okay. So again, fan underscore off underscore SPB sir. How are you, sir? I am big fan of you and love you so much, sir. Thank you so much, fan of SPB, sir. వేణుం స్వామి 0611 ఎలా ఉన్నారు సార్? ఆయన చాలా బాగున్నానండి, థ్యాంక్ యూ. లింగల జాహ్నవి, హాయ్, దిస్ ఈజ్ పుష్ప. విచ్ ఈస్ ద మోస్ట్ డిఫికల్ట్ సాంగ్ యూ ఫెల్ట్ వైల్ సింగింగ్? Ganga, obviously one of those songs, Ganga from the Telugu movie Gangotri, a bit tough. There was this one song that I sang recently for a movie. I am not able to mention the name and the details of it. It's a beautiful melody, but I don't know if I've done justice to it. It is a Malayalam music director, if I may say. I would like to keep it there. Kijo underscore 21. Have you feel presence of Appa when you feel down? If is it so, then how you feel it? Getting into the spirituality and feeling the presence of somebody. No, I don't think I've felt his presence around me, but I know he's around. He's watching me, he's guiding me. There are moments when I listen to his music where I miss him a lot. Uh, but other than that, I would not be able to tell you that I felt him like this, and this is how I feel when I feel he's around. I'm sorry, I'm not that connected to spirituality, but I see the life that I live itself is because of him. So that in itself makes me feel still his love and his care for all of us in the family. So that's about it. Kara Deepika underscore Gudisa. How are you, sir? I'm well, and I hope you're doing well. Vinod Nair, how are you, sir? And mom, what are your plans during pandemic? Okay, uh, I haven't made plans for the pandemic, the lockdown rather. Once the lockdown is over, I have to finish off Adhikaram work and to try to get it out, market it, and get it out. That's my priority. But during this lockdown, what I have been doing is I've been with mom quite a bit, helping her out in the kitchen. We cook. I do all the chopping, cleaning, and and all of that. Amma does the main cooking, and I've been spending quite a bit of time with her, having a good time. And then I spend a little time in my office and whatever I can do. And I've been trying to figure out how to go live on YouTube or bring a guest in. I'm still studying. I'm still learning about all of these things, and one day I will have a guest, not too far away, quite soon. Quite soon, I should be able to do that. VG underscore M underscore 93. Sir, மணிமண்டபம் பில்ட் பண்ண சொல்லி ரிக்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணலாம் டிஎன் கவர்மெண்ட்டுக்கு. சாரி ஃபார் த இன்கன்வீனியன்ஸ் கொஸ்டின். நான் பிளான் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கேன் விஜி. இப்போதைக்கு வந்து the samadhi is getting ready, which is a priority right now, because there are a lot of visitors coming to visit Appa. The memorial is a bigger plan. It costs a little more money, and so the proposals are all getting ready, the diagrams and the drawings are all getting ready. There will be a museum there. There will be some ஒரு meditation center மாதிரி ஒன்று பிளான் பண்ணுறேன், where people can just keep calm and just if like somebody asked me if I feel that, maybe they can just go there and just calm themselves down and feel his presence at that place, or on them. And there will be a museum with all his awards, all his artifacts, all his some personal stuff that I think that will be interesting for you all also to see. And it'll be a little preview into his life and how he lived life and how and all of that kind of stuff. So yeah, it's a big plan, and yes, I do have a plan to request the governments to help me out with this also. Governments in the sense Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and rest of the Dravidian states. I hope I'll be able to achieve that at the earliest. Akhila underscore Shankar 1. Sir, in live session, you had said that you had stopped working from September. Now, at least you had started. You are not, sir? If not, please start, sir. Working on what, Akhila? I don't understand. I've been doing Swarabhishekam shootings and all of that since around February this year, and unfortunately, we are locked down. We were supposed to shoot beginning of this month, but again, since the pandemic and the lockdown and all of that, we are not able to go for shoot. All shoots have been cancelled. So looking forward to going back to work, Akhila. Kaatu Sirikku Gautam __. What is your opinion about Shankar Mahadevan, sir? What a sweetheart of a gentleman. Very nice man, a brilliant singer. The thing is, he's so grounded and he's so approachable. The most interaction I've had with him was in Super Singer Junior 6, when we were all judges, and the first day when he had come to the sets, a little, apprehensive to go up to him and say hi, but we have met many a time, and he would come straight up to me, give me a big hug, a bear of a hug, and we just started chatting off as if we've known each other for quite many years. Being a musician is not a big deal, but being a good person who is a musician is one brilliant combination. Something that I learned from Appa and people like Shankar Mahadevan sir and all of them. I hope he is doing well. I do follow him on Instagram and YouTube. His academy is flourishing, and he's doing a lot of social work. I wish him all the best, and I hope he stays safe, and lots of love to him and his family. Challari underscore Prabhakar. Meeru Ramya Behra picture. చూస్తానండి ఉంటే I will post it on Instagram. Kiran underscore Chandran underscore diaries. Hello sir, how are you? I'm doing well, Kiran. Sanjan dot na 3037. Sir, innum answer varla. We are waiting, sir. I hope the wait is worth. Gitanjali Madan. Qualities required for a good singer. You should ask a good singer. Unique Kavita. Wife, kids, I have answered that. Satya Sahukari. Hi sir, I am big fan of your voice, sir. How many children, sir? I have two children, two girls. They're going to college. They're 18 years old, and they're in New York. And this year they'll be going to college. Arihan underscore Mitran, do you take online classes? I don't mind taking online classes, but you tell me what you want me to take online classes about. We shall do that. We shall definitely do online classes. I've been thinking about doing online classes. We could do that. Mahati Dugirala, where's your favorite place in the US? New York is home to me, so I love New York. But then off late, I've been traveling to other parts of the US as well. I have family in Atlanta, Alabama. I have a lot of friends in California. I love California. Most parts of California I love. But New York, Westchester County, or Long Island is where my heart is. Spurti underscore PS. How's your mother, sir? I have answered that, Spurti. I hope you're doing well. Charanji, hope meet you soon at Malaysia. Krishnan underscore S. I am thinking it's Krishnan. I'm looking forward to Malaysia, Krishnan. It's been a while since I've come there. I miss the country. One of my favorite countries, and a lot of friends I have over there. Once the lockdown is over, I think Malaysia might be the first country I might stop at. Shasha.7534. I miss Appa. Can you sing Pakkathil Neeyum Illai Vannam Konda Vinnilavai for me? Okay, since this chat is going on for a long time, I'll keep it very brief. பக்கத்தில் நீயும் இல்லை, பார்வையில் ஈரமில்லை, சொந்தத்தில் பாஷை இல்லை, சுவாசிக்க ஆசை இல்லை, கண்டு வந்து சொல்வதற்கு காற்றுக்கு ஞானமில்லை, நீலத்தை பிரித்து விட்டால் வானத்தில் ஏதுமில்லை, தள்ளி தள்ளி நீர்ந்தால் சொல்லிக்கொள்ள வார்த்தை இல்லை. Thanks for the request. Next, Priya.Tanasingh. Will you pass on my thanks to your stylist for the Vani Mahal concert? My stylist? I don't understand. I don't have a stylist. But Sophie P. Joe. Update on your web series Adhikaram. I have mentioned that, Sophie. Thank you so much. Harini Aditya, మీరు Twitter Spaces host చేస్తారా? I've heard about Twitter Spaces. I have not yet researched it, and once I do that, definitely I shall do that. Vijay Ramamurthy, your father's favorite song. My father's favorite song, there are again so many. He used to listen to old Ghantasala songs, and Rafi Garu, you all know that he's a huge fan of Muhammad Rafi, and off late he was listening to a lot of rare old songs. I'm not talking about 60s, 70s, I'm talking about 40s and 50s. So somebody kept sending it to him, and he keeps listening to them. They're all on a pen drive. I have them here. They're all Pokisham, if I may say. Vijay Ramamurthy, will you sing in other languages given a chance in Hindi? Of course I would. Like I said, I love languages, and if I don't kill the language, I definitely will do it. I will never say no to an adventure. Learning a new language or singing in it is definitely a challenge, and I would like to do justice to it. Vijay Ramamurthy again. What is your opinion about fitness? Look at my face right now. I am putting on weight. I need to lose weight. I don't know how to do it. That's my opinion about fitness. Everybody needs to do it, but yeah, everybody needs to do it. Again, Vijay Ramamurthy, your favorite song nowadays? Nowadays, my favorite song, I've been listening to these songs quite a bit. Her voice is quite intriguing to me. I love that voice for some odd reason. RJ underscore Murli underscore Choragudi. Hello, sir. I am RJ Murli Krishna from Tori Radio. I run a show called Fun Time. I want an interaction session. Murli, we'll try to figure it out. Let me see what we can do. I hope it's just audio and not video. Or even if that is the case, we'll figure something out. Singers underscore Srinivas Viriyan. Sir, SPB sir, எவ்வளோ மிஸ் பண்ணுறீங்க என்ன? ஐ மிஸ் இம் அ லாட். அது அது ஒரு வார்த்தையால் சொல்லி உணரக்கூடிய ஒரு விஷயம் கிடையாது. அதனால் leave it at that. Aisha is okay. No question, sir. Just love your smile, just like. Thank you so much. பிரபு கண்ணன் .tuti. எனக்கு மூவியில் ஒரு சான்ஸ் வாங்கித்தாங்க, எனக்கு ஒரு சான்ஸ் வாங்கித்தாங்க, நான் பெரிய ஆள் ஆனதுக்கப்புறமா நான் உங்களுக்கு ஒரு சான்ஸ் வாங்கி தரேன், ஓகேங்களா? சுஜித் அண்டர்ஸ்கோர் சந்திரா அண்டர்ஸ்கோர் முட்டமாரி. ஓகே, தமிழ் or Telugu? Both. Angel Punraj, hope you are doing good. Lots of love. Take care. Thanks, Angel Punraj. And I hope you are doing well and stay safe and love to the entire family. Anna, will you try to post one pic, one song of yours daily in Insta, please? Customer, I try to do it, but unfortunately, I'm not a selfie guy. I don't look for stories and everything that goes on in a day. If it is relevant to you, I will definitely try to post it. Okay, thank you. SPB Charan underscore squad. Jay Charani. Okay, namaskaram, Jay. Nagesh 143. Hi sir, how are you? I'm well. Nagesh, hope you are also. Hearts of SPB Charan. World of your fan. Words for your fans. Love you all. Hearts of SPB Charan. Your favorite fan pages of yours. They are all my fan pages. How can I have one favorite? I might not be following all of them, but they're all very close to me. Priyan Kanagasuri, 2020. Sir, will you teach me music? Okay. All the best to you. Himaja underscore K. Hi sir, how to deal copycats? What's your suggestion? It would help a lot of people here. Okay. See, as much as I appreciate all of you fans doing so much for me, like I said, there are people who have multiple pages also. I don't know why. They have 2-3 pages and they put up the same post over and over again. I first of all don't know how Instagram works. You all seem to be experts. You know how to edit a picture within minutes, or a video, get some footage from somewhere and re-edit it and post it. And a lot of complaints been coming to me that this person or this fan page has copied that fan page's post, or vice versa, or the photo image being re-edited because somebody else posted it. I do see a lot of this. I mean, there are 3 or 4 people posting the same thing. Again, like I said, I don't know if it is one person who has multiple pages or not. I don't know the purpose of it either. Listen, let's all be grown-ups here. I shouldn't be telling you guys what to do and what not to do. You all seem to be friends. You all have a community. Please talk amongst each other. Don't squabble and fight. Let's all be mature and sort it out amongst yourselves and figure it out. Okay. Plagiarism is not good unless you credit that person. You should credit that person, whoever created the post, and say that you're inspired by them, or the original post is by this particular page or a person. I think that'll get you a lot more followers if you're honest with yourself and honest with the other person. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Try not to copy. Sort it out amongst yourselves. And if you need to post the same thing, repost what somebody has done, please credit that person. I hope I answered your question, Himaja. Hearts of SPB Charan. How are you, sir? Take care and be safe. Thank you, Hearts, and you all take care too. Munish Mira. We want you to act in Tollywood, sir. Please produce a movie and cast me in it. I'll definitely be like. But on a serious note, if I'm given a chance, I definitely will act. వానపాలి ఇంద్రాణి మీరు పాడిన సాంగ్స్లో మీ బాగా నచ్చిన సాంగ్స్ అది ఆన్సర్ చేశాను మన ఇంద్రాణి గారు అండర్ స్కోర్ హేమ 2003 అండర్ స్కోర్ హౌ మచ్ యూ లవ్ సూపర్ సింగర్ జూనియర్ 6 సార్ అండ్ సే సంథింగ్ అబౌట్ other three judges, Kalpana and Chitrama and Shankar sir. I have spoken about Shankar sir, so Chitrama is a sweetheart. She has been very close to me. Kalpana, who is my father's Manasika daughter, the youngest in us three, in us two, I think, in the family. She's very close to me, and Kunja Vayadi, but she's a sweetheart. Chitra Amma Beswe Matanga, but very relevant person in my life. I wish her all the best. And Super Singer Junior 6 is one of my favorite experiences in life, and I hope I get more such experiences with children. I love that lot. That class of season 6 was a brilliant class, and I'm looking forward to the next season as well, and I hope I will be a part of it. Elisha Vani, your favorite dish? I love food. Indian priority number one, and then goes to second priority goes to pizza, and then Mexican. Thanks, Alicia, for that question. Sailaja underscore SP. I know this is not my atta, but somebody who's a fan of her, I think. Thanks for you being her fan, and I'm doing well, and I hope you're doing well as well. Kisho underscore 429. Sir, can you reply to my text? Consider this my reply. I underscore Vignesh underscore Lal. Sir, I need your support. Please chat with me, please, sir. Vignesh, I know in this kind of situations there are a lot of people who want support from a lot of people. If it is something relevant and if I'm able to do, I will have a conversation with you, Vignesh. You can send me a message. If I'm not able to help you out with your problem, please excuse me. Punida, stay safe, sir. Thank you so much. Do live sessions. I will try to do as many live sessions as I can. Ashwini underscore Harshika. What is your favorite song which is sung by SPB sir? So many, I cannot list out one or two. Ajit Kumar underscore official underscore. One word about our friend Tala. Tala rocks. Divs Pranesh. Hi bro. The most valuable lesson you learned in your life. Don't take anything for granted. Life throws googlies at you. You need to go with the flow, go with the punches. Pre-planning things in your life are a mere waste. Live large, live happy, live every day, live it, live it. Don't sulk, don't waste a single day. Live every day to the fullest. That's my preaching for the day. Priya27391, hi sir, how are you and all at home? All are doing well. Have you seen my DM which was sent by me? When yes, your next live. When is your next live? Priya, I am sorry, I might have seen your DM. I might have missed it. I'm sorry. Lakshman Pasunuri, could you share some singing tips for beginners, sir? Unless I listen to you sing, I will not be able to give you any tips. Singing is not something very generic that I can just dish out in a tip. So if I listen to you sing, then maybe I'll be able to tell you what you need to do and what you're not doing. Chintu3543. I'm a big fan of you. Thank you so much. I have texted many times. You never responded in my messages. Please say hi once. Hi, Chintu. If that's all you need, 3 highs to you. Sumi MM11. Say my name once, bro. Sumi. Rekha Uttangi. Hi sir, can you share one family picture of yours with SPP sir? There are a lot on Instagram. If you're following me, please go there. I don't have anything other than what is out there. You guys seem to have more family pictures than I do. So thank you all for posting them so that I'm collecting them as well. So the pictures are out on Instagram. I am Hitaishi. Feel so happy just to see you, sir. Oh, so sweet. I hope I get to see you too someday, Hitaishi. Bhargava 6615, your next Telugu movie. No idea. Haripriya Gosetti. You are singing very well, Charan Garu. Please keep maintaining this. Thank you so much. I will do my best and practice some more to sing better. Bhavna underscore be ready. Sir, how are you? How is your lockdown days going on? Started liking after seeing Ali Tosavaga. Thank you, Bhavna. I hope you're doing well. இப்போ உள்ள மியூசிக் டைரக்டரில் உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சது யார்? கார்த்திக் அண்டர்ஸ்கோர் 27_11_. சி சினிமாவுக்கு பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் தான் சினிமாவுக்கு பொருத்தமான சாங்ஸ் தான் எல்லோரும் பண்ணுறாங்க. வித்தியாசமாக எதுவுமே இல்லை. கொஞ்ச நாள் போக போக வந்து என்ன ஆகிடுதுன்னா அது கொஞ்சம் ரெப்பிட்டேட்டிவாக கூட ஆகிடுது சில மியூசிக் டைரக்டர்ஸில். பட் ஒரு சிலர் அட்லீஸ்ட் ஒரு 3 சாங் 2 சாங் வந்து ஹிட் ஆக்கிடுறாங்க படங்களில். ஐ பிக் அண்ட் சூஸ் தோஸ். அதனால் நான் என்ன சொல்ல வரேன் அப்படின்னா வந்து இமான், அனிருத், சந்தோஷ் நாராயணன், டாப் 3 ஜிவி, யுவன். ஸோ யா, மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் திஸ் கைஸ் டூ அ பிரில்லியன்ட் ஜாப் அண்ட் தட்ஸ் வை தேர் பிக்கெஸ்ட் மியூசிக் டைரக்டர்ஸ். எனக்கு அவங்களுக்கு எல்லாரையும் பிடிக்கும், டெஃபினட்டாக பிடிக்கும். என்ன அவங்க பாடாமல் மற்றவங்களுக்கு சான்ஸ் கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா இன்னும் நல்லாயிருக்கும். Who is your favorite singer, sir? Brightness asked me that question. Brightness 2021. Favorite singer. I am my favorite singer. Sheikh underscore 86. Hi Anna, how are you? And how are all? Please message Paranga. Anna, be safe. Don't go anywhere. Thank you. And same, all of that same kartu goes to you also. Please stay home, stay safe. Unga message நான் பார்த்துட்டேன். And thank you so much. Akshita Manava has asked me how I am, and I'm doing well as well, Akshita, and I hope you're doing well also. Alpha underscore Kartik, can we imagine you as SPB sir? அது நான் என்ன எப்படி சொல்ல முடியும்? நீங்கள் தான் அது, you'll have to decide that. It's not for me to say imagine me as him. Shivraj underscore 8888, hope you all are good, brother. Yes, we're all doing well, and I hope all of you guys are doing well. Saki Neni, how was life without SPB sir? Come on, please. Underscore citizen underscore memorable photograph of you and your dad. There are, again, like I said, there are so many on Instagram. The one that picture that is very close to my heart is this one image of me hugging him. The photo kagan edutadilla, it was totally very emotional click, and I think somebody took a picture and it's floating out there in social media. It's one of my favorite pictures. And another one is a back shot. Mr. Bharathan in KL, a brilliant photographer, took this photograph of Appa holding me. The picture is from the back. I'll try to put it up whenever I can. It's very close to my heart also. So that is another picture that I really love. And thanks to Mr. Bharathan from Malaysia for that brilliant picture. Priyanka Tammineni. Sir, one of the most mischiefs you do, you don't want to forget. Oh, there are so many that I don't want to forget at all. I've told my kids stories about my mischief, and even my sister's children. These are mischiefs that you do, or mistakes that you do in life, which you need to take as a learning curve and to tell them as stories to people. Those are what makes stories, and never will I forget any of those. How are you, G? Sanjay underscore 14. Uma Poturi, I hope you're doing well, Sanjay. Uma Poturi, SPB Gariki Baga Ishtamaina Pen Chappandi, please. Okay, this might sound weird to you guys, thinking like somebody like SPB would love a pen like Mont Blanc or Fisher or some fountain pen with a brilliant nib and all of that. No, as much as he loves pens, he's more into utility pens like highlighters, markers, permanent markers, erasable markers, chalk. All of these are what he likes more than a pen, regular pen. You give him any pen, he'll write with it. He doesn't have a collection of so many brilliant pens or Waterman or Mont Blanc or anything. I know he has one Waterman and one Mont Blanc, but otherwise they're all here. As you can see, I have not touched any of them. These are all his pens. This is how it is. This is how he keeps his stuff. And more than those pens, he's got these. You see all the multicolored markers and highlighters and whiteouts. This is what he loves the most. Everywhere he travels, any part of the world, the first place he goes to is a stationery shop, and this is what he always buys. Those pens are still working, and I still use them occasionally. Uh, Preeti Hepsiba 1017. Charan is a brand. Really, thank you. I hope I do become a brand sometime. Vidya Sri Sriram, to whom you are grateful, sir? My parents, my dad, and my mom. Actor X Prasad. Sir, నా వాయిస్ ఎస్పీబీ సార్ వాయిస్లా ఉంటుంది ఒకసారి పాడనా ప్లీజ్ పాడండి ఎవరు ఆపుతున్నారు తప్పకుండా పాడండి యూ హ్యావ్ టు సింగ్ ఇఫ్ యూ క్యాన్ సింగ్ యూ షుడ్ సింగ్ జేకే అండర్ స్కోర్ పుజారా సోల్ ఇల్లా సాంగ్ ఈజ్ మై ఫేవరెట్ సోలే ఇల్లా దట్ సాంగ్ is what he's talking about new every day now every day I listen that song in your voice ede tumbi haduvenu. Oh, he's JK underscore Pujara is talking about this tribute show that Z Kannada had done, or I think it's Colors. I'm sorry, one of the Kannada channels had done a few months back. Mr. Hamsaleka's initiative, and I had sung this song, one of Dad's songs, in that show. Sole illa ninna haadu haaduvaga ಗೆಲುವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಸಾಯುವಾಗ ಹಾಡುವೆ ಈಗ ಜೀವನ ರಾಗ so that was one song. It's a song that I sang for the first time, and I'm so happy that I actually learned and heard that song. Thank you again for reminding me that event. Underscore S underscore R underscore I underscore 0 underscore 2 true underscore. What's your opinion about your admirer Tangachi, especially for a cute expressions? I think you're talking about Rishi Harini. Uh, she's a sweetheart. I think, see, why I have a soft corner for Rishi is because she is the first one who started following me when I came onto Instagram. Before this whole rush of such fans and pages, she is the first person who started following me, and she's been feeding me information about the songs that I have sung and forgotten. So that's the reason why she's fan number one, if I may say. I'm not trying to offend any of you guys. You're all special. Rishi is a little special. Adiyaman 16009. Hi Charan, how are you? Fan from Malaysia. Thank you, Adiyaman. And, I hope you're doing well. Sai Satish has asked about how the lockdown is going. Aarti Loganathan, hi sir, I'm a big fan of you from Super Singer. Lots of love. Thank you so much, Aarti, and I hope I'm back on Super Singer soon. Padmini, hi Anaya, how are you and Amma? Yes, thank you Padmini for the concern, and I hope you're doing well. Anita Srinivasan 29, why SPB sir, Vijay sir combo haven't sung much? Sir, really rocked using nuances, geeking, laughing, different style. Okay, Anita Srinivas. I think you're asking about why I do not sing or people don't sing Appa and Vijaykanth's combination. I think the most popular is Chinnamani Kuile. I think that's very popular among the duos combination. Preeti, I love your smile. Preeti, don't mind me not reading the messages. Doctor underscore N Infinity sir, I'm a big fan of SPB sir. Without listening his songs, thank you so much, Doctor Infinity. Underscore it's Anush has asked me how I'm doing. I'm doing very well, and I hope you're doing the same as well. Hello sir, I'm your biggest fan, Lukasha Hemi. I hope I've mentioned your name right. Thank you so much for being my fan, and I hope it's worth it. Dr. Infinity sir, I am Videsh, can I know the next project of yours? I don't know my next project, Videsh, and once I do know it, I definitely will let you all know what my next plan is going to be. நிஷா பி நாயர் சார் அப்பாவே மிஸ் பண்ணுறீங்களா? என்னம்மா கேள்வி நிஷா இது? டெஃபினட்டாக அப்பாவை நாங்கள் மிஸ் பண்ண தான் செய்ய போகிறோம். இல்லைன்னா என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம்? மிஸ் பண்ணாமல் என்ன இருக்க போகுது? நீங்களும் தான் மிஸ் பண்ணுறீங்க அவரை. அதே மாதிரி தான் நானும் மிஸ் பண்ணுறேன். Sailus Click, sir, any thoughts about continuing Partha Thiyaga after Great SPB? Sir, ETV has asked me to. Okay, so I cannot just run through this question. I have to answer your question. So ETV has asked me to continue the legacy of Partha Thiyaga. It is scary. I told them I don't want to do it, but they have convinced me to do the show. I will be doing. We did shoot the promo, but unfortunately, because of the lockdown, we are not able to start work on Partha Thiyaga. Definitely, we will. You will all get the announcements of the auditions and where you need to send the tapes and all of that. Wish me luck. This is going to be a very difficult step in my life, and but it's a challenge. And like I said before, I love challenges, and I'd try to do my best for Partha Thiyaga. Vaishali Mallepu, hi sir, నాకు రిప్లై మీకే రిప్లై చేస్తానండి. సుధా భారతి 16, how are you sir? I'm well. Sudha, I hope you're doing well as well. Harshala Honey fans page, hi Anna, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? I am doing well, Harshala. I hope you're doing fine also. Chakravartini 5 asked how I am, and Zumairul Rasmi. Last pick of SPB sir. Sorry, I don't have the last pick. I didn't know that was if there was going to be a last pick. Reddy Pujita 913 once come to live, sir. I will definitely come live. Consider this live as well. Jandyala Swati, can you sing a few lines of any song? I have been singing a few lines in this whole chat, so I hope that's good enough for you. Shravya Charya, my favorite actor, which I have mentioned. Hope you are good. Tell us about your next song in Tamil cinema. Artist Queen 426. All in due course of time. The announcements will be out there at the earliest. Krish _15, can you sing Sattamila Datanimai Ketin? I remember singing that song on stage a few times, but it's not some song that you can just start off on a live session like this and finish the song. ஏன்னா அது ஒரு முடிவும் ஒரு ஆரம்பமும் முடிவும் இல்லை. So once you start that song, you have to finish the whole thing. So excuse me, but I will practice that and get back to you in one of the live sessions. Thanks for asking, Krish. Beautiful girl, handsome. You are my hero, sir. Thank you. You're my hero too. 9197 Sue. Sir, what is your next project in big screen? We are expecting. I have answered that. Thank you so much, Sue. Manju 2325, சார் நீங்கள் லைவ் வரும்போது வாய்ஸ் சாங் எதுவும் பாடுறதில்ல. ஏன்னா நிறைய பேரோட பேசணும், அதனால தான் வந்து பாடிக்கிட்டே இருந்தேன்னா நிறைய மற்றவங்களதெல்லாம் மிஸ் ஆகிடுதில்ல. ஒருத்தர் வந்து ஒரு சாங்கை கேட்பாங்க, அதை பாடிக்கிட்டு இருக்கும்போது ஒரு 4 மெசேஜ் போயிடுது, அதில் மிஸ் ஆகிடுது. அதனால தான் I decided not to sing much and to have conversations with you all. I think this is much better an interaction. I think this is much better. I get to mention all your names and reply to your questions. Ramram 30, can you please sing your favorite song from your dad's original? I sang one in the beginning of this video, and I hope that is good enough for you. Charan sir, forever waiting for Zoom meeting. Charan sir, once I figure out how that works, I definitely will connect with all of you guys in Zoom. If anybody knows how to do it, please let me know. Shiva Lagiri. Hi sir, I am a big fan of you. Thank you, Shiva Lagiri. Shivala, if I may say. So sweet. I hope you're doing well and stay safe. What are your favorite Telugu movies? There are so many, Saujanya. I'll make a list and I'll let you know. Sir, can you? One of them is Nartanashala and the other one is Gundamakatha. Maya Bazaar tops the list, definitely. And there are so many like that. So many. Sir, can you share your childhood memories with SPB sir? What's your favorite thing in SPB sir? asked by VV Silent Eyes. Uh, lot of travels. Appa wasn't there much during childhood. He was very busy in those days, traveling and recording songs, and being himself. So, but what little we had, he used to take us out for swimming every second weekend. That is every second Sunday in a month when he used to be off. We used to go to Savera Hotel and swim there for hours and hours together. He was a brilliant swimmer. Uh, he was an avid reader. He would combine them both. He would be reading books while swimming, lying flat on his back. And a lot of movies, a lot of dinners together. That's him doing what little he can, compensating for the time he's not being there. Such a sweet gentleman that he was. Thanks for asking that, Silent Eyes. Unique movie. When is your web series release? Nah, don't know yet. Thanks to this COVID uh, pandemic. Snehita, any inspiration, motive to direct Adhigaram sir? The story, and I've been wanting to direct for quite some time now, and I wanted the right story. And thanks to Cable Shankar sir for coming up with a brilliant line. And this is a genre that I really like. Conspiracies, drama, political. Uh, I love that genre. So, political drama is what Adhikaram is all about. Be Crazy 01, sir, please read my in chat box, please, sir. I think you're asking about this, and I just read it. Dr. Roxana, what are your upcoming recorded songs for movies? In due course of time, I'll let you know because most of those projects, the names have not been mentioned yet. So once they have given the title, I will definitely mention which movies they're coming from. Shamik Ahmad. Shamik Ahmad. Anna, are you visiting Nellore frequently? Not as frequently that I would like to. I don't have much work there unless some event or occasion happens. Varla Blessy. How are you, Charangar? I'm doing well, thank you. Gandha Minoda. Who is your favorite female singer? Currently, previously, S. Janaki Garu for her expressions, Susilama Garu for her voice, currently Shreya Ghoshal for her clarity in lyrics, and current favorite is D. Her voice is just mesmerizing. Kindly request Anna, Parjit underscore Baju. What is your request, Parjit Baju? I don't get it. Can you sing a song for me, sir? Kameshwari Akela. All the songs, or the few songs that I've sung in this session today, are for you, Kameshwari Akela. I hope you enjoy them. Parjit Baju, Udayam ஒரு கோவில் அதில் உதயம் ஒரு பாடல் சாங் பாடி ப்ளீஸ் அண்ணா போடுங்க அண்ணா இதயம் ஒரு கோவில் அதில் உதயம் ஒரு பாடல் definitely I will post that as a reel for you, Varjit. உதயம் ஒரு கோவில் மென்ஷன் பண்ணேன். சாவித்ரி அம்மா அண்ட் பல்லவி அக்கா எப்படி இருக்காங்க? They're doing well, thank you so very much. Preeti, thank you so much, thank you again. ஹாய் சரணண்ணா, உங்களை பார்த்து 7 months ஆச்சு, உங்களை பார்த்து 7 months ஆச்சு. ஆஃப்டர் ஃபியூனரல் எப்படி இருக்கீங்கண்ணா? Parjit Baju, I've been online, I've been interacting with fans and all that. So you have my YouTube channel right now. You can see, and you will probably see me in this one when I post it. So thanks again for the concern. I'm doing well. Sujit ST22, how are you, sir? Please be safe. Thank you, Sujit. Shravya Charya, hello, sir. Hi. Niveda, hi, sir. If you have time travel machine, if you want to go, which age or no, I don't want to go back. I've lived it and done. I want to be in this time right now and live the rest of my life every day at a time. Anu Varshini, when are you going to be a full-time playback singer? There is no full-time playback singer. It's not a career anymore. Share your college pics, Divya Shekhar. I went to college in America. I'll try to find my yearbook. We didn't have mobile phones then, so we don't have pictures. But if I do find some pics, I definitely will post them. Saifia Anjum 123. How much you are missing your father? Srinika Navanita Krishnan, how are you? 9197 SU. Thank you, sir. 9197. When will see your acting in a big screen, sir? Also waiting. I've answered that. 719. Su. Purvika, hello sir, how are you? Big fan from Karnataka. Thank you, Purvika. I hope you're doing well. Hello sir, please do post your family pic. I will do that, Navya Luri, but there are already so many pictures online. I couldn't have put up anything other than what already it is there. How are you, sir? Divya asks, and I hope you're doing well, Divya. Uh, Meek name Chala, Petta fan, sir. Me songs daily, Vintan. I love your voice, love you so much. Jaldaramya. Jalda Ramya. Thank you, Ramya. Thank you so very much. I was trying to figure out how to pronounce your name. 815 Reno, how are you, sir? I'm well. I hope you're doing well. Shiva Saumi. Any recent songs you're getting released? Okay, I've spoken about that, Shiva Saumi. What's your favorite food? My mom's cooking. Satyavati Devarakonda. Are you related to that actor Devarakonda by any chance? If not, I'm sorry, but if you are, tell him I said hi. Amma ela unnarandi? I mentioned chesasanandi. Thanks for asking. Sanchana, hi sir. Do you remember me? We acted in a movie Nyabagam Varide. Sanchana, please send me a picture. Sanchana, I'm trying to recall your face. I'm very bad at this, so please send me your pic, Sanjana, on DM on Instagram. Bharati Bandi Bandi. Hi Charan sir, how are you? And Shailaja madam, ela unnaro there. She's doing so very well. Thank you so much. We're all locked down, so we're not able to see each other, but they are safe, I know, and we're all doing good. And I hope you're doing the same as well. SPB, SPC, Heart Fan, Varsha, hi sir, stay home, stay safe. Thank you, and you too do the same. Pooja Sri, hi Charan sir, நீங்கள் பாடின சாங்கில் உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்ச சாங்கை நான் அதை மென்ஷன் பண்ணிட்டேங்க ஆல்ரெடி. ப்ளீஸ் கம் இன் தெலுங்கு ப்ரோக்ராம்ஸ் அண்ட் யூ ஸ்வராபிஷேகம் இஸ் த மோஸ்ட் தட் ஐ கேன் கம் இன். The next might be Paduta Tega. That was asked by Pasupuleti Deva. I am Anand 2811 Tollywood Loki Madli key entry ఎప్పుడు సార్ తాళం దొరికినప్పుడు. Priya Kunam, I would like to hear Pallavi Gari singing. I would love to too. I've been trying to convince her to sing along with me, but she needs a lot of coaxing to get her to sing. Chinnu 2107, hi sir, how are you? Sidhu Bhai Gaming, hi sir, big fan of you. Thank you, Chinnu and Sidhu. Priya Kunam, sir, who is your favorite person? My mom and my dad, my sister. So basically my entire family. So we are just special people, SP, special people. I am Ragul Raj. கடவுளுக்கு கோவில் ஒர்க் எப்போ ஃபினிஷ் ஆகும் சார்? இது கொஞ்சம் தாமதமாகும். தேங்க்ஸ் டு த பேண்டமிக். லேபர்ஸ் கிடைக்கிறது கஷ்டம். டிசைன்ஸ் ஐ வாண்ட் இட் டு பி ஒன் ஆஃப் த பெஸ்ட். சும்மா ஒரு 4 செவரு எத்தணுமா அப்படிங்கிறது இல்லாமல் அதுக்கு ஒரு செவருக்கும் ஒரு பர்பஸ் இருக்குங்கிறதுக்காக ஒரு விஷயத்த நான் கட்டணும் அப்படிங்கிறது தான் நினச்சிக்கிட்டு இருக்கேன். கொஞ்சம் டைம் ஆகும். பொறுத்திருந்து செய்ய வேண்டிய ஒரு வேலை, பொறுமையாக செய்ய வேண்டிய ஒரு வேலை. பணிகள் போய்கொண்டு இருக்கிறது. we are still in paperwork. Padma _ Sri, hi Annaya, love you from Malaysia. Thank you Padma, I love you too. I am Ragul Raj. நீங்கள் இன்ஜினியரிங் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டா தலை? இல்லைங்க, நான் மார்க்கெட்டிங் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டு. பிபிஏ பிஸ்னஸ் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் மார்க்கெட்டிங் ஸ்டூடெண்ட். I am Ragul Raj. காதல் சடுகுடு ஃபியூ லைன்ஸ். ரொம்ப அடிச்சு போட்ட மாவுங்க அது. Sumita Shankar, hi Charan sir, how are you? Hope everyone is fine. We are doing well. So Sumita Shankar, I hope you're doing well as well. Hi Charan sir, please do a video with Shailaja Amma. I definitely will try. Thank you Smita. What is your favorite song, sir? There's so many. Jenny 585. Date of birth, I think my profile shows that on Instagram. Vekd Best. Your favorite song of SPB, sir? Okay, next time about Anuradha Sriram, ma'am. What about her? She's such a sweetheart, sweet girl, very close friend of mine. For her age, she looks really, really gorgeous. I think she's a health freak. I hope all the best for her and her 2 sons and the entire family. Hi sir, how are you, sir? A fan of SP Charan. Oh, by the way, Subha Chandran is the one who asked me about Anuradha. Great admirer of Allu Arjun, sir. Can you sing a Malayalam song and put a video, please? Thank you, admirer. I definitely will practice and do honor your request. Lavan underscore Choco, how are you? Well, I hope you're doing well, Lavan. What do you think about your fans, sir? They're the best. They're such sweethearts, and they give me a reason to be on Instagram and see what they're posting about me. Every day is an adventure. I hope they're doing well, and I wish them the best, and they are the best. Hamida Tanja, Hamid Tanja. Okay, Hamid Tanja says hi. Hamid Tanja says Amma எப்படி இருக்காங்க? Vidya underscore NSV ask me how I'm doing. Jalda Ramya. Hi sir, I love you. Thank you, Jalda Ramya. I love you too. S. Skirutini. Have to bear with me. S. Skirudi. I think I'm saying that right. Ask me how I'm doing. Nikhil King Zero. Amma Nalla Irukangala sir. Yes sir. Thank you sir. Dare Queen 2020. Kirti Sirimella. How could you be such a great, talented, multi-talented one? It's not okay. If you say so, I'm not going to deny that. It's called survival. Okay, you need to keep doing things, challenging yourself. You cannot be stuck in one thing and get bogged down unless you're the best in that. Like for example, if SPB just stuck to singing because he's the best, he doesn't need to deviate. So but somebody like me who has multiple interests needs to explore and keep doing all of those things. If you say that I'm good at all of those things, and I think you're a great person, a very forgiving person, and I thank you for that, Kirti Sirimella. Dr. Smarty Sandhya. Please do cover songs. Hearing your voice gives me pleasure. Thank you, Doctor. I'll try to do the best. Pushpa. Hello, Charan sir. Good to see you. And my question is, why you didn't try to produce in Telugu film industry? I'm very familiar with Tamil film industry. A lot of people are my friends, and Telugu people not familiar with most of the actors and the technicians there. So I didn't get out of my comfort zone. SP Charan Addict, when was the Zoom meet, sir? Eagerly waiting. I've answered that question, Addict. Karthik underscore sevens, all sevens. మీరు సాంగ్స్ పాడిన మూవీస్ నేమ్స్ ఒక లిస్ట్ వేయాలండి, నేను వేసి మీకు పంపిస్తాను. నాకే తెలియదు, నా ఫ్యాన్ ఒకళ్ళు పంపించారు. అది లిస్ట్ చూసి నేను అది PDF చేసి మార్చి నేను అది పోస్ట్ ఇట్ ఆన్ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ అండి. డార్జిలింగ్ ఖాన్స్, హౌ ఆర్ యూ సర్? వన్ వర్డ్ అబౌట్ మై పేజ్. Khans, I think I am following your page. There are so many. Again, I forgive and thanks for all your effort. One thing that I would like to tell all of you guys, girls, who are my fans, I appreciate everything that you're doing, but let that not be the important thing of the day. Okay, I see a few people doing 2 or 3 posts in a day. You don't need to do that. You have a family. You have other responsibilities at home. Those are priority number 1. Even I come later. I don't do anything for you. You understand. I go about doing my work, which unfortunately singing, or fortunately if I may say, touches a lot of hearts. It's not like a doctor's work or a mechanic, or they do their work, we don't understand it, but music is something people understand and it touches directly to their heart through the years. So that is all the advantage that I have. Other than that, I am going about doing my work. I am doing these lives and all of that because you guys are asking me so many questions and you want to see me. So I'm obliged to come live and say hi to all of you. But other than that, my point being is, 1 post a day, 1 post a week is also good enough. You don't need to put up a post every day and get my approval also. You want me to see each and every, imagine so many fans and so many pages and everybody wants me to see them and like them. I do not sit with a phone in my hand. This much of talking, it's 1 hour, 14 minutes of talking that I'm doing right now. It is only because of all of you guys. But otherwise, I don't sit here. I want to spend time with my mom, my friends if possible. Unfortunately, it is locked down. Make memories. This cyber meeting and chatting with me or about impressing me is not going to give you any memories, Khans. Spend as much time with your family, your friends. I will be there. I definitely will be there. You all love me. நான் ஏதோ வந்து ரொம்ப ப்ரீச் பண்ணுறேன் அப்படிலாம் நீங்கள் நினைக்காதீங்க. இட்ஸ் ஃபார் யுவர் குட். அண்ட் prioritize things. Prioritize your family and your friends. That's the most important thing. Then comes all us, if you call us as celebrities. யாருமே யாருக்காக எதுவும் பண்ணுறதில்ல. அவன் சோஷியல் ஒர்க் அவன் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு போகிறான். உங்களுக்காக அவன் எதுவும் பண்ணுறதில்ல. எல்லாருமே பொழப்பு தான் ஓடிட்டு இருக்காங்க. உங்கள் பொழப்பை நீங்கள் கெடுத்துக்காதீங்க. உங்கள் குடும்பம் ரொம்ப முக்கியம். ப்ளீஸ் ப்ளீஸ் ப்ளீஸ், இட்ஸ் அ ஹம்பிள் ரிக்வெஸ்ட். யூ ப்ளீஸ் spend time with your family as much as you can. We all come secondary. We are nothing before your father, your brother, your mother, your sister, your aunts, your uncles. We are all nobody. Okay? You should give priority to them first. Thank you, Kans. I hope I didn't preach too much. Jyotir, my Sunkari, hi. Ammu6741, what's your next plan? I don't know. Madhum Sarja, I am SPB sir's big fan. Thank you, Madhum. Sudhakaran SK _ Rio, what are you doing, sir? Trying to chat with you guys and reading all these messages and replying to them. Akhila asks for a live session. I had stopped working from September. Now at least you had started. I don't know if I'm repeating this, but Akhila, I've already answered that question. Selu Prabhakar, Andaru Yala Unnar, Andar Bavanar Selu, thank you so much. I hope you're doing well. Sweta San 25. Hi sir, I'm Sweta. Hope you see me in MGM Hospital. Sweta, I hope I don't see you in any hospital. I wish you. I hope you're working there. And if I do come to MGM sometime, God forbid, I don't want to. I will definitely say hi to you. But I hope our paths cross somewhere outside the hospital. Stay safe. You seem to be a frontliner. Please stay safe and stay safe. Balu Gari Abhimani, please sir, once na page చూడండి. Balu Gari Abhimani నాకు అవకాశం కుదిరితే తప్పకుండా మీ పేజ్ చూస్తానండి. రిజానా 1088 సార్, உங்க ஃபுல் நேம் சொல்லுங்க. ஸ்ரீபதி பண்டிதாராத்யுல கல்யாண் சரண். ஸ்ரீபதி பண்டிதாராத்யுல கல்யாண் சரண். Jaya Priyaraj, why so handsome, sir? Thanks for making me laugh, Jaya. Balu Gari Abhimani, hi sir. Okay. Sri Shach 09. Hi Charan Garu, Bagunnara Miru. We're doing fine, Shri. I hope you're doing well as well. Bhavani Nayan, which song would you dedicate for Balu sir? There's a question that I need to think about and answer. So I'll get back to you about that. Mino.kutti99, not for asking but to say one thing really missing SPB Garu. He was like a teddy bear, cutie pie with so much positivity. Thank you, Minu, for those kind words and for remembering him like that. Shami Berry, just wanted to tell you that you are awesome and I love you so much. Thank you, Shami. So sweet of you. I hope you're doing well and stay safe. Patrick Kevin IAS, SPB sir sang more songs in many languages. Which language is more favorite for him? Telugu is his mother tongue. Kannada has been very taken dad in as one of them. Kannadigas are very strong as far as language is concerned, and they don't usually let infiltrators into their language. But dad has been an exception. PB Srinivas has been an exception, and they love dad so much, and that's the reason why dad loves not Kannada per se, but Kannadigas, I must say, and hence Kannada. So yeah, he treated all languages equal. Who asked me that question? Patrick Kevin. About Sunita Garu. Sunita Garu is a nice, good friend. I wish her luck on her in her life and regards to her family. Everybody, and her father is very close to me. Very nice man. Love to them all. Sir, if we post a post related to SPB sir, will you like that? Bhavana _184. You are very considerate, Bhavana. I am not somebody to say I don't like it. You can go ahead and post it, but don't expect me to react to them because some are quite emotional. I might not respond to them. go ahead and post it. Who am I to say you shouldn't post this or you shouldn't post that? Please, you're free to do whatever you want to do. Vaisakhi.s, not a question, but I love you. Thank you, Vaisakhi. I hope you're safe and be safe. Sai underscore 2013, when is next Instagram live, sir? I don't know, Sai. I will definitely keep you posted. I don't want to schedule it as a regular thing because, see, we need something to talk about. Even now, when you see, most of these questions are how I am and how Amma is doing and what is going on in the lockdown. The majority of the questions, I'm not skipping any of them just so I mention all of your names. But it's the same thing over and over again. So a 1 hour session might not be very interesting. So I'm trying to, keep delaying each session, if I may say. Your best song which you sang? There are so many. Again, Bindu, Mota Potu. Uh, I'll again have to make a list. Jayshree, we are all doing well. I hope you're doing fine also, Jayshree. Beautiful girl, handsome. Charan Garu, me style, me smile, me voice time. Thank you, beautiful girl. Chitra Iyer, can I get a call and hear you? But your dad is my god. Chitra Iyer, I'm sorry, I don't make phone calls. I hope you do understand. I hope you're safe and regards to your family. Bhavna underscore Vishnu, thank you for even outmatching SPB sir in singing at a young age. Thanks, Bhavna, but there's no truth in whatever you're saying. My dad has achieved more than what I have achieved at my age. Younger than me, at around 21, he sang for MGR, so that in itself is an achievement. So I'm confused with what you're trying to say, Bhavna Vishnu. Bava underscore Vadivel, how are you, sir? Come live. I'll try again, Bava Vadivel. Magi Kavya, hi sir, how are you? Thank you, and we're all doing well. I hope you're doing fine, Magi. Prince underscore Navi 1925, sir, I'm a very big fan of SPB, sir. Could you please let us know about Sweet Memory? I've spoken about that, Prince. So, Bhavna Vishnu, what did SPB father say in his last days? I'm sorry, Bhavna, if I'm not talking about that. I'm going to skip that. Sudhakar Reddy T. Live Loki Epudu Vastar, sir, and I've already answered that, Sudhakar. You will know soon. Dharani Muthu Krishnan, what is your favorite singer? What is my favorite singer? A favorite singer is somebody who sings well. They are my favorite singer. Deepa Bitter Gaddi. I hope I've not messed up your name, Deepa. I'm sorry. One word about SPB sir. God. Fan of SP Charan. Okay. அப்பா எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? Instagram live போடுங்க அப்பா. Okay, fan, I will definitely do that. చరణ్ గారు మిమ్మల్ని కలవాలని ఉంది. ఎలా సార్? ఈ లాక్డౌన్ అంతా అయిపోయినాయండి. బ్యూటిఫుల్ గర్ల్, హ్యాండ్సమ్. తర్వాత మనం ఆలోచిద్దాం ఎలాగన్నది. సుధాకర్ రెడ్డి, యువర్ వాయిస్ విల్ గివ్ రీబర్త్ టు ఎస్పీబీ సార్. ఓ యువర్ టూ కైండ్ సుధాకర్ గారు. ఆయన పేరు చెప్పకుండా ఉంటే చాలు. థ్యాంక్ యూ, యువర్ టూ కైండ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. మార్చలేరు చిత్త, హౌ ఆర్ యూ సార్? థ్యాంక్ యూ చిత్త గారు, మార్చలేరు గారు. ఆదిత్య ఆది 143, హాయ్. See Soumya, hi Soumya. Well, very sad. Please give me reply. Hi sir, I sent so many. Soumya, okay. There are a lot of people sending me messages every day, and if I don't reply, I don't reply to everybody at all. None of them. Don't think that I'm not replying only to you, Soumya. There are a lot of people who I don't send replies to. Please don't expect reply from me. Like I keep saying, I don't sit on the phone or on the social media for too long. It is once or twice during the day. That's all. So if I don't send you a reply, please understand it is nothing against you. It is only that I don't spend much time on social media. I hope this is a reply to your message. I hope this you accept this as a reply. Thank you, Soumya. I didn't mean to offend you in any which way. I am sorry if I did, but please understand, I don't be on the computer or my phone watching Instagram and what's going on that. Okay, thank you, Soumya. Again, this is nothing against you. I don't reply to a lot of people. Chaz Adex sir, இன்னொரு டைம் லைவ் வாங்க சார், உங்களை பார்க்கணும். இது லைவாக நினச்சிக்கோங்க. You can see this. This will be posted at the earliest. I'm Alina Alex. Hi, Alina. Congrats for 86K. Thank you. You're so kind. You're one of them as well. You made it happen. You're from Kerala, I see. Okay. Hope to meet you sometime soon. రమ్య కృష్ణన్ ఫ్యాన్ ఫర్ ఎవర్. బాలు గారి పాడిన తెలుగు సాంగ్స్లో మీకు బాగా నచ్చిన దీని సమాధానం చెప్పేశానండి రమ్యకృష్ణ గారు. సారీ, రమ్యకృష్ణ ఫ్యాన్ గారు. ఐ స్కిప్ దట్. ఓకే. స్వరాభిషేకం మీకోసమే చూస్తున్నాను. చాలా చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ అండి. ఇట్స్ వెరీ నైస్ ఆఫ్ యూ, బ్యూటిఫుల్ గర్ల్. ద లాట్ ఆఫ్ మెసేజెస్ ఫ్రమ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ గర్ల్. యూఆర్ టేకింగ్ అప్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్. దివ్య అనుమండ్ల, టెల్ మీ ద బెస్ట్ థింగ్ అబౌట్ our respected SPP sir. What is there that I can tell you that you don't know already about him? Everything you know about him. నేను కొత్తగా ఏం చెప్పగా, మంచి ఫాదర్, మంచి నాన్న. సినిమా నాన్నలాగా కాదు, డెఫినెట్గా సినిమా నాన్నలాగా కాదు. He's got his issues, I have my issues. He's reprimanded me, but then we love each other so much that we are more friends than a father. He's a very good friend. వాళ్ళ ఫ్రెండ్స్ని ఎవరినైనా అడగండి, చెప్తారు ఎంత మంచి ఫ్రెండ్ అన్నది. నాకు అలాగే ఉన్నారు ఆయన. హీ ట్రీటెడ్ మీ లైక్ అ ఫ్రెండ్ ఆల్సో. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ దట్ క్వశ్చన్ దివ్య. భూవి 23, ఐఎమ్ అ హ్యూజ్ ఫ్యాన్. థ్యాంక్స్ భూవి, వెరీ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ యూ. చరణ్ సార్ ఫర్ ఎవర్. చరణ్ సార్, మీరు ఎప్పుడు నా మెసేజ్ రిక్వెస్ట్ యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తారు ప్లీజ్? ఇది సౌమ్యతో నేను ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను. ఇట్స్ ద సేమ్ థింగ్. నేను యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయలేదు అంటే దానికి మీరంటే నాకు ఇష్టం లేదని కాదండి. ఇట్స్ జస్ట్ దట్ ఐ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ టైమ్ ఫర్ టూ మెనీ ఆఫ్ దీస్ మెసేజెస్. నేను ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ని ఎక్కువగా నేను పెట్టుకోను, చాలా అరుదుగా చూసుకుంటాను. చూసుకొని కొన్ని షేర్ చేస్తాను అంతే తప్ప నా పోస్ట్లు కూడా ఎక్కువ ఉండవు. సో ప్లీజ్ అండర్స్టాండ్, అది మీ ఇట్స్ నథింగ్ అగేన్స్ట్ యూ. ఇట్స్ జస్ట్ దట్ ఐ జస్ట్ డు నాట్ హ్యావ్ டைம். தேங்க்யூ. ரம்யா அம்மு, எங்களுக்கு ரிப்ளை பண்ண மாட்டிங்களா? இப்போ நான் ரம்யா அம்மு, இப்போ நான் பண்ணுறது அதுதானே முயற்சி. அது என்ன உங்களுக்கு மட்டும் ரிப்ளை பண்ண மாட்டேன்றீங்களா அப்படின்னு கேட்குறீங்க. எல்லாருக்கும் தானே பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கேன். ஒரு வாட்டி உங்களுக்கு மிஸ் ஆகிடுச்சு அப்படின்னா உங்களுக்கு எதிர்த்து நான் பண்ணுறதுன்றதுக்காக கிடையாதுங்க. ஜஸ்ட் மைட் ஹேப்பன் தட் லைக் தட், அவ்வளோதான். உங்களுக்கு என்ன மிஸ்? நான் எதுவும் எங்கேயுமே பாரபட்சம் காட்டுறது இல்லையா. அவங்க எனக்கு பிடிக்கும், இவங்க எனக்கு பிடிக்காது, உங்களை யாருன்னு கூட எனக்கு தெரியாது. இருந்தாலுமே என்னுடைய ஃபேனாக நீங்கள் இருக்கீங்க, இல்லை என்னை ஃபாலோ பண்ணுறீங்க, அதுக்கு மிக்க நன்றி. நீங்கள் ஏன் இது அவ்வளோ ரொம்ப பர்சனலாக எடுத்துக்காதீங்க. ஓகே. 12 மணி பிரபு 3. ஸோ எஸ்பிபி சார் சோல் பேலஸ் எப்போ பார்க்க முடியும் சார்? அது ரெடி ஆன உடனே நமக்கு சொல்கிறேன். சோனியா, சோனி, சிங் அ சாங், யுவர் ஃபாதர் சாங், எனி not this session. Sony, too many questions, there are so many going on. Okay, so that's why I don't want to end it somewhere, because again everybody is feeling that I'm not replying to them only, but you don't understand there are so many here that keeps going on and on and on. I missed my spot now. So you have to understand that I'm already 1.5 hours through this session, so I'm going to end it after a few, and I will probably continue this again sometime soon. Okay. I stopped at Sony sing a song. Okay. Charles Adex sir, yes sir, DP இன்னும் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணாமல் இருக்கீங்க, எனி ஸ்பெஷல் இன் திஸ் டிபி? இல்லைங்க, நான் இன்ஸ்டாகிராமில் அவ்வளோவா இருக்கிறதில்ல, அதனால தான் நான் இதை சொன்னால் அதுக்கெல்லாம் ஒரு முயற்சி, ஒரு டைம் தேவைப்படுது, ஒரு ஃபோட்டோ எடுக்க வேண்டியதாக இருக்குது, அது நான் பண்ணுறதில்லை, அவ்வளோதான், வேறு ஒன்றும் இல்லை. మిమిక్రీ రామకృష్ణ సూపర్ అన్నయ్య. మిమిక్రీ రామకృష్ణ వనపర్తి, థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. మీరు మెసేజెస్ ముందు పంపించారు, నేను చదివాను. ఐ థింక్ వీ ఇంటరాక్టెడ్ లైవ్లో కూడా అనుకుంటాను. ప్రేమ్ కుమార్ సార్, మీరు మళ్ళీ ఫిల్మ్స్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తారా? నేను ప్రొడక్షన్లో ఉన్నాను, నేను ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు వెబ్ సిరీస్ సీమ్ టు బీ మోర్ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ అండ్ హ్యావ్ మోర్ ఫ్రీడమ్ టు డూ వాట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు డూ. సినిమాల్లో మళ్ళీ యాక్టర్లు, పెద్ద బాబులు, వాళ్ళందరినీ డేట్లు తీసుకొని వాళ్ళ కోసం కథలు రాసి, వాళ్ళు అప్రూవ్ చేసే కెమెరామ్యాన్లు, వాళ్ళు అప్రూవ్ చేసే డైరెక్టర్లు, వాళ్ళు అప్రూవ్ చేసే కథలు. వెబ్ సిరీస్ బాగుందండి. It's a huge market. There is a lot of scope, potential, and I would rather be a player there for now. ఏదైనా మంచి ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఏమైనా దొరికితే మేబీ అప్పుడు maybe I will do a film. Vaccinated, yes, we're all vaccinated at home. Thank you so much. Two vaccinations done. And I am Kirtana. Do you put special effort while singing, or it is natural? I need to put a lot of effort while I'm singing. I need to learn it much, concentrate on it. It doesn't come easy to me, like a lot of singers that I know. I do make an effort. My concentration is completely on singing when I'm on stage or in front of a microphone in a recording studio. I try to give my best to it. Beautiful girl. Beautiful girl, మీరు చాలా you have sent a lot of messages. Beautiful girl. I'll skip this. So your favorite color? White, black. I gave you two. Anushka Pinky, sir, your favorite song? Janaganamana Dhinayaka. Sorry, I'm sitting down, but I don't want to continue. Netra K. Gowda. Please sing Kannada songs. I did sing in the session, so I covered. Tick. Charananaya, how are you? I'm doing well. Sai Ramchari Katta. Be Crazy 01. Sir, please read my messages. Consider this read. Priya Kesavi 25. Your favorite color? I just mentioned that. Nasreen Umar. Hi, sir. Have you all safe? We're all safe. I hope you all are also. Sung ITH7. Chaz Meeru, music director, moral అవ్వాలని అండ్ మోడల్ అవ్వాలని మా మ్యూజిక్ డైరెక్టర్ అయితే ఏమో అవుతానేమో కానీ మోడల్ ఈ వయసులో మళ్ళీ ఇంకా మీద అవుతానన్నది నాకు నమ్మకం లేదండి. కానీ మీరు నా మీద పెట్టుకున్న నమ్మకానికి నేను జన్మతః కృతజ్ఞుడిని. Murugesh 399. Hi, Ask Homemade. We love you so much. Thank you, Ask Homemade. Open talks of Shri. Need a live with fans, sir. Is your family? Our family are doing well. We will work on the live session. RSS Swat. Hi, Charan sir. Hope you are doing well. From your viewpoint, what is the ultimate goal or purpose of life? Live it. Don't go towards a goal. Everything will fall into place. Just live it. I think that's my policy nowadays. Planning a road path, finding a path to achieve that one particular goal, things change. Your life doesn't go as planned. So you know what? Just forget it. Just live life. That's all you have to do. What's your daughter's name? I have two daughters. Their names are Janhavi and Mayukha. Mayukha and Janhavi. Janhavi being the elder one, Mayukha is the younger one. They are twins, by the way. Ask Homemade. మీరు అంటే మాకు చాలా ఇష్టం సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ Homemade. Fan girl, do you have fan girl? I answered. Vaccines are all done. Thank you. Lasya Priya, we are doing well. I hope you are doing well. I am GVK. How are you and your family? We are fine, GVK. My regards to your family and you as well. What's your favorite thing to do when you are free, sir? I do a lot of gardening. I do a lot of cooking, but those are not free times. Those are times that I need to do them. My free time, I'd love to sleep. Crazy Selvaraj, hi sir, hope you are doing well and good. What was the biggest prank you did and got caught by mom? I pretended like I ran away from home and I scared the hell out of her. But then I thought, I was going to develop love from her. But once she found me hiding under the staircase, she gave it to me like crazy, So that didn't work out well. Sangit Sharan Garu, hope you are doing well. Thank you, Sangit. Parvatam 31, how are you, sir? Sindhuja, hi, sir. Hi, Sindhuja. Charan Garu, your voice is my favorite. Thank you, beautiful girl. It's me, Joshna. Namaste, sir. Love from Hyderabad. Thank you. It's me, Charan, in Chennai. How's the situation going on in India, sir? Stay safe. Hi, it's my life here. The situation is not that good, but it's getting better. Hope this will sustain, and we people need to do what we need to do to help the country. It's not helping ourselves anymore, it is helping each other and the country. So we need to do our due diligence. 1591 Shiron, what is your favorite place in India? Home. Dad's little daughter, how are you, sir? We are doing well. I hope you're also doing well. Love to your dad. Charan garu meerante naaku chaala ishtam. Beautiful girl. Asitosh Naresh, Charan sir, which Telugu song and movie do you like the most? There's so many movies and I've given a list. Sharmita Durai Swami, if SPB sir had become an engineer like he wanted, what do you think you'd be doing now, sir? Definitely not meeting you. And he didn't want to be an engineer. He always wanted to be a singer. How things are going, sir? Pujita, all well. Disha 14, I hope you're doing well. Disha, TS love for Santosh. Me, Sai, Vaishu SPB, SP Search fan. Who is your inspiration? Of course, my dad is an inspiration. And now all of you, my fans, are, my inspirations. You inspire me to be a better person, a better singer. And I thank you for that. Chaz Destiny, when is your next live, sir? I don't know yet. Chaz Destiny, big beautiful, okay, cute girl, Ella. Hi, sir, I am Ilavarasi. Stay safe, Ilavarasi. SP Charan 123 fan. Lockdown, eppadi poi போகுது. உங்களுக்கு எப்படி போகுதோ எங்களுக்கும் அப்படியே போகுது சார். மேடம், வித்யா Podwal, what can you talk about for hours? Reading these questions and replying to them is quite time consuming themselves itself, Vidya. Shamini UK's official. Hi Charan sir, hope you're fine. I hope you're doing well, Shamini. I think things are getting better in UK. Stay safe. I think you're from UK, right? Hello sir, I am from Kerala. Hi. Hope you're all doing well in Kerala. Sir, please say your favorite song. Jillu Vishnu. How are you, sir? Shivan Selvi. Vidhu, SPP sir's favorite line. Dr. Deepak Subramanian. நீங்க நல்லவரா கெட்டவரா? Dr. Deepak, I hope you're doing well, bro. Shanmuga Priya Jnanasekharan, your latest song in Tamil, sir. I've answered that, Shanmuga Priya. Chivulapalli Pavani. Will you start Partha Tiyaga show? దానికి సమాధానం చెప్పేశానండి. యువన్ అరుణ్ విజయ్, why you act in Wag Water Cutting movie? For which reason? ஏன் ஏதாவது தப்பு பண்ணிட்டேனா யுவன் அருண் விஜய்? அப்படி ஏதாவது தப்பாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா மன்னிச்சிருங்க. எனக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தது, நான் நடித்தேன். Nivashini Vani, sing your favorite song. Suma Gowda. I'm going to run through the names now because we're running short of time. So I'm just going to read your names. Consider those replying to your messages. Sanot Raja, Gautam.7882, Bharanidharan _Ravi, Avi Collections 1, Anu Sheikh, I am the model 93, Guna Puji, Nikshipta _Rao, Swati Matineni, Parimala Raku, Anushya, Aswani, Julfi Anisha, Bharat Akash, Pranita, Koteshwari Reddem, Hearts of SPP Charan, Mr. Cristiano _17, Sindhu Suraj, what does it take to meet you, sir? An unlock. K. Vanita, Sri Kuttan Chuttur. How are you, sir? I'm doing well. Sri Kuttan, I hope you're doing well. Sir, please sing Ido Ido in Pallavi. Renu, another time Renu. Pavani BTK, Subhashni Subramanian, Aruna Kamakshi, 80. SPV SPC fans page. Which genre movies do you like watching? You like making? I like watching these action movies, these superhero movies, these Marvels, and all of these. Sometimes in the nights I watch some drama. Rom-coms I'm not too interested in. I love drama. What I like to make is drama and action films. Please accept my request, sir. SPB SPC fans page. I think I see your messages, SPB SPC fan. I definitely do. Karunakar Siluveru 71, Ramakrishna Yadav 21, Rubina Babu 4725 SPB _fan, Priyanka Selvaraj 96, Saravana MBS Infanto 0407, I Anusha 96, M Sundar P Crazy _SP Charan fan, Sravs Happy, Prasanna Naidu, Venki 6300, Gopi Peta Kamsetti. Sorry Gopi if I messed that up. Deepika Mallela, Julfi Nisha again, Niranjana Rajesh, Vidya Podwal, I've already mentioned your name, Rabiatul Asif, Sukrit Tiger, Sasha Vijay fan, Padmakar Prabha, Divya Uppala, Divi _Gal, Kirti 21, TT 2101, Priya _Shiva, Shivani, Ammu 72, Shankara Life of Christy 3. No voice man, it's amazing. Okay man, thank you. Sailaja Anusha Aduri, SPP 5.0, Surya Kiran 10, S _P _Balasubramaniam, Aruna Ramakrishna, SP Balasubramaniam, K Parts, Rana 251995, Savita शिवात्मिका शिवा, रूपारुण ज्योति, शानो मित्रा, उदय श्री, कोकिला, पुलिवेंदुला, my Anna SP Charan, Monica Potu, Mani Deepika Pasardi, the Queen BGV, Mani, Manikandan 4691. Suren Swag Friends, Divi Gal, Soumya NK, Derek Abhi, Vesep, Ane, fan of Yugi, Puji Chiranjeevi, Me Harika, SP Charan the Inspirer, Bharani Kumar, Yanamandra. What is your opinion on caste politics, especially in South singing industry? I don't know. I seriously, I don't want to comment. How are your sir? Puji, Prashi underscore 15, Steffi Ferdi, Radha Vemula, Satya Raghu, Positive Queen, Jakshil, Achu 2806, Kalayarasi, Ishani Ram 73, Bhimaya 9945, Maunika Chaudhary, Roja Gujjala, MK Shweta, 8215, Sakti 8, Sprasha, Chaz Edits 07, SPB Charan Sir Fan, Girishma Balu, Dad's Queen, Krupavati Lazar, Purple Fairy, Girishma Balu, Chaz Edit 07, Happy Girl, Dad's Queen, Miram Music, Chaz Edit 07, Rangit Chandra, Yogi Sata, it's underscore me underscore Mano, P underscore S underscore Asha, Sanar Free, Shana Shifa, Bhuvan, AB, Abhi Balakrishna, Vicky Six Uma, Pattuma underscore CLM, Manasa Chaudhary, Ramakant Chittapragada, Swati Sus, Sarada Gunasekaran, Afrini, Pattuma underscore clam, CLM, Vishnu JSS, Simply Chaz, Arti 216, Anu Maria, and the last one is Satya.Bhupati. Thank you all so much for all these questions. I might have missed a few, but again, as I explained during this video, it's not on purpose. My eyesight, time, Figo whining, and also some questions are quite repetitive, and I wanted to save time to cover as many people as possible. Thank you all for sending me these questions and interacting with me. This seemed fun, and I thank you all again for joining me in the session. I hope you like this session. If you do, we shall do this again sometime soon. Good luck. Stay safe. Mask up. Social distance yourself, and don't need to go out if you don't have to. Love you all.